As the CEO of TraderFunder, the PropFirm, I have now come to a mission that I want to double the amount of people that passes the challenges. And I'm going to do this in two ways. Number one, I'm going to educate people. And number two, why am I leaning forward like this? Number two, I want to have the best possible challenge rules in the industry. So first of all, I'm going to educate you as a trader. And I'm going to do this in a couple of ways. But today in this video, I'm going to teach you what works for the most successful traders on TraderFunder. Because I've analyzed them using AI, the key metrics that they are using to see if we have a common pattern on who is succeeding and who is not. And the successful trader that passes the challenges, they use three key metrics that's working for them. Let's dive into these numbers. And number one, the first key metric is win rate. They're using a 69% win rate overall. And number two, they're using a risk to reward of 1 to 1.22. Yeah, that's right. Not 1 to 3, 1 to 5, or 1 to 25 like the SMC or whatever concept you're listening to. They're risking 1 to gain 1.22. That's barely a positive risk to reward. But combining that with a win rate of 69%, it's quite profitable. And the third thing is that they are risking 0.45% per trade. That's an average, because some a little bit more, some a little bit less, but on average 0.45%. And number four, they're focusing on 1 or 2 pairs. That's it. So if you're trading like 15 pairs, it's kind of logic that if you trade like 1 or 2 pairs, using 1 or 2 pairs, you will learn how these moves more than trading a lot of instruments. So to summarize this, we are having 4 key things that we focus on. Win rate, 69%. Risk to reward, 1 to 1.22. Risk per trade, 0.45%. And focus on 1 or 2 pairs to trade. We already have one of the best rules of the trading challenges in the industry, but we want to do it even better. We have had a trail and drawdown that is going to be removed shortly. From the next week, it's going to be removed. Also, we're going to increase the leverage from 1 to 20 to 1 to 50. And we're also going to lower the prices on the challenges. That's the large challenges. The smaller packages, they are already the cheapest in the industry. But we're never going to compete in price, because I want you to do one thing. And that is to, if you see a prop firm that is cheaper than ours, go to Trustpilot and filter on 1-star ratings. And you see, okay, not everyone is trustworthy, because people get angry when they lose the challenges. But if you see a common pattern that they don't get paid, their challenges get failed without a reason, they got sudden spikes, etc., then you know it's not very trustworthy to go with that prop firm, even though it's cheaper. I mean, in the end, you want to know that you 100% get paid. And with TraderFunder, we haven't declined a single payout since we started. And we have been in business now for 10 months. And not a single declined payout, which is, we're proud of that, obviously. And we also have only positive reviews on Trustpilot, except one review that is a 1-star, where he didn't understand. We had a competition and he thought he was 100% gonna win the competition, which he didn't. So he felt that, oh, I participated but I got nothing. Yeah, well, everyone can't win, so that's the reality, unfortunately. But except for that, we have only positive reviews. And that's why I started the PropFirm, because I am myself a trader. I trade with almost $1 million US divided by stocks, forex, etc. But I prefer to trade on PropFirm. So I started a PropFirm that I wanted to trade with myself, because I want to have these rules. If I put in 100K in an account, it's so easy to get the devil, so easy to avoid your rules. But if you have trading through a prop firm, the technology handles it for you. If you go down below 6% maximum drawdown, shuts down. So I can't really lose a lot of money trading this way. That's why I trade through my own prop firm, which is quite funny. People ask me, why do you do that? But I do. And the reason I started, I want to have a secure place for traders to trade, so that you know that you get 100% payout. This is a short video, but I just wanted to give some information about how we are working and what we are doing, and hopefully you got some value out of the key metrics that our successful traders use. Have a nice weekend. Peace.